What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I just got a call from the hospital telling me my back procedure is, I got to be there for 7 o'clock in the morning. Means it's probably going to be 8 o'clock by the time they work on me. Fun times. That's happening on Friday. So, yay for me. Anyway, today we're cooking up a fried crawfish po' boy. My mouth is already watering at the idea. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Everything you need for your crawfish po' boy. Crawfish, 1 pound. Po' boy loaf. Some fish fry. Lettuce, tomatoes, pickle, and mayo. You want to add some more toppings? Be my guest. So, we're going to go ahead and throw in this 1 pound of crawfish meat. Into the pot. Break it up a little bit. And we're going to throw on some of this Louisiana brand fish fry. Start breading each one of these. Throwing a little bit more. Just a tad bit more. And there we have it. Now we're going to move over, get our oil all heated up. We're going to start frying these off. Okay, I set our hot plate to high. Going to go ahead and pour in some of our oil. Let that get heated up to 350 degrees. Alright, oil is at 350 degrees. They're going to cook in no time at all. So we're going to take our basket. Just like that, they're done. And just like that, we're done. Time for a bite. That's the stuff right there. If you haven't fried any crawfish tails, you might want to give this one a shot. Nice, juicy, crunchy. Oh yeah. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.